Hello Chosen Ones! In this video I'm going to show you how to make a furnace in Witchspire. The furnace is a fairly simple structure to craft, requiring only wood, stone and cinder blooms. However, before you can build it, you'll first need to unlock its recipe. You can find the furnace blueprint inside your Luminaries menu shortly after unlocking the hearth. The only requirement is upgrading your hearth to level 2, which will make the recipe available for crafting. Next, you'll need cinder blooms. To gather these, head toward the Chirilli crater located to the northeast of the island. Inside the crater, you'll find clusters of fiery glowing flowers growing throughout the area. These are the cinder blooms you're looking for. Once you've collected all the required materials, you can place the furnace down in any suitable location. Just make sure it's within range of a hearth, as it cannot be built without one nearby. After setting it up, the furnace allows you to smelt ores, convert wood into charcoal, and refine sand into glass, making it an essential early game crafting station for progression. And that's everything you need to know about building a furnace in Witchspire.